Hey, we're going to take a look at the DeWalt 208cc gas engine, 21-inch single-stage snowblower, electronically governed engine. It's got rubber augers that help propel it forward, so it's almost like it's self-propelled. It's got a 190-degree chute, 7-inch wheels, and electric start. Neat thing about this is it comes with everything that you need. The first thing we're going to do after we take it out of the box is we're going to actually extend the handle. So we got to take off wing nuts, pull that out, and pull our handle back, line it up the way we want it. I'm going to put it in the back. It's got a little, looks like a nut on there that's going to line up in the line to help us lock this on tight. That's how we're going to get those tight. It has an electric start if you use an extension cord to start it up, but we also have our recoil pull start. We've got to put our little cable holder on. This is going to come up here for our handle start. So we're going to put that in, face that back, crank this down, but we're going to leave it real loose. Pull our handle up. We're going to slide that in. So as you can see, we have that in, we have that tightened up, and we have our little ring there and the little pull 190-degree discharge chute that we're going to actually put on. Get some posts, and we've got 3 actual screws. We're going to take those out. They come pre-installed. We're going to take those out. I'm going to use a 5/16. You notice on our actual chute, we've got smaller holes, and then we got the larger holes. Smaller holes are going to be for the little pegs, so we're going to put that on and make sure that your actual screw holes line up. Now we've got our actual turn handle, and as you can see, that's the bottom. This is going to be the top that you're going to actually use to turn it. It's going to slide in these 2 little slide brackets and snap into place. You can see right here, it's got a little grip here. You want to make sure that that slides in on both sides before you try and snap it. Now you've got it, you're ready to go. Underneath, we've got our shaver bar. Nice thing with this shaver bar is you can use it on one side, and then actually if it wears down, you can flip it over. Little breakdown on a single stage versus a 2-stage or a 3-stage. Single stage is your actual auger. You've got one, so you only have one auger. That's actually going to pick up the snow and actually throw it out your discharge right here. If you have a 2-stage, you got one auger that's going to pick it up, and then you'll have another auger that'll actually throw it out, so you can actually throw out more snow. 2 or 3-stage is actually get a wider. This is your 13 inches from here to here for your opening, and 21 inches wide for your actual swath that you can actually get with this. So now we're going to go ahead and put the oil in. It comes with its own pack of oil. It's a 20-ounce pack, and the engine takes about 20 ounces. So our oil fill is right here. Twist that off. Pull that puppy out. So we got our oil in. So the next thing we want to do is we want to check and make sure there's enough oil. There's our gauge. There's our high and our low. Now we'll put our gas in. Take our gas cap off. Now you're going to have to keep track of this. It actually has a sight gauge on the side here to tell you how full it is. So we're ready to go. So if you want to pull start, you can pull start here, but the first thing you got to do is you have to put your key in. It comes with a spare key that's actually hooked onto your pull start. So put our key in. You're going to make sure that that's pushed in all the way. Get your primer right here. States right here, you want to prime it 3 to 5 times to get it going. Cover up the plug hole. Down underneath is your actual throttle speed. Plug in right here. Takes a standard plug, so you want to get a good heavy-duty outdoor extension cord to use. Feel that snap all the way in. Always plug it into the machine first before you actually plug it into your extension cord. Make sure you don't have your auger engaged. Let's give it a try. Last thing I like to do is you can actually buy spray to take care of if there's wet snow to help keep it from clogging. I just use the kitchen spray, so it works out great. Spray the chute and inside the back. All we need now is some snow. Always remember, dream, think, design, build, and learn. I'll see you in the shop.